Hello friends, welcome to Active Class YouTube channel. Today I am going to share very important questions in this video related to HVAC. So friends, in this video we will discuss about what is AHU and what is the function of AHU, and after that I will tell you what parts and component used in AHU, and then after that I will tell you what type of AHU used in HVAC systems. So must watch this video till end, it could be very helpful for you. So let's start. What is AHU? Friends, AHU stands for air handling units. AHU is a machine used in HVAC system to condition and recirculate air inside the building. That is called AHU. Friends, what is the main function of an AHU? It is the main function of AHU is filter the air, removes dust and dust particle from the air, and then cools or heats the air, and after that controls humidity and then supplies fresh air to the building inside the room. That is the function of an AHU. Friends, and the main part of AHU or main components used in AHU, which is fan, that is called blower motor, air filter and cooling coil or heating coil, and mixing box, dampers or drain pan. These are the components used in AHU. And now, and what type of AHU used in HVAC systems? There are two types of AHU: draw through AHU and blow through AHU. So friends, draw through units mostly used in large industry and commercial purpose we are used. Friends, very basic difference between draw through and blow through. Draw through fan and blower motors fixing on after cooling coil and heating coil, and blow through units blower and fans fixing before cooling and heating coils. This is the basic difference between blow through units AHU and draw through units AHU. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.